Welcome to CAD/CAM learning tutorial. In this tutorial, I will teach you in a Creo parametric in a choose the line command with the help of draw this drawing. Okay. So first you will see this drawing carefully. This length is 6, width is 2 mm, height is 4. This way I will draw this way, okay, and then angle is here 49. And in this tutorial you will learn two things. First, how to draw the line with the help of a diagram, and how to take a dimension in angle, and how to sketch. So lot of things inside in tutorials, so listen carefully. So start, take a short screen in this drawing for a draw purpose. Okay, here this is the drawing. Okay, with the help of a normal, line command, and dimension. Okay, so how to draw this drawing in a Creo parametric? So how to zoom? Control and then mouse middle button. Okay, this way you will zoom out, and then drag, shift plus mouse middle button. Okay, then this way you will drag. Okay, and this area will be defined, this area, orange area will be defined, your drawing will be defined. Okay, no error. Okay, so take a dimension. Okay, otherwise you write down this dimension and then try to draw the in Creo. Okay, so first, okay, this way, and then the drawing will be this way. So how to, first you will close, how to close? File, then close. Okay, and then go to new, then part, then okay, then click on a sketch, then take any plane. Okay, then sketch this way. Okay, and then start, mouse middle button, and then shift, then you will comfort this way, and then draw the, first you will see your drawing. Okay, drawing is here. First you draw 6 mm line, then 10.8 mm line. Okay, then 9.2 mm, then 4 mm, then 2 mm. This way you will draw the simple, use the line command. Okay, so here click on a line. Okay, your command is activated, see here in a cursor. Okay, then draw this way. Okay, and then mouse middle button 2 times click. Okay, and then define this dimension. Okay, your dimension is 6 as per your drawing. Okay, and then take this line and draw, click here, and then if you click this way, here clicking here, and then your line is not horizontal. So how can you solve this problem? Click here and then go to horizontal this way. Okay, horizontal, and how much dimension? Click here, mouse middle button 2 times, otherwise you will click here, select, and then execute this command. Okay, and click, double click here, double click, and then take the dimension 10.8. okay, and then take a line here, click here, and then a line. And how to take the dimension? Click on the normal, then click on the end point this, then this point, and then click on middle mouse button. Okay, this way, and take the dimension 9.2. Okay, and draw a line. First you will draw simply, then you will go to higher. Okay, mouse middle button 2 times click, and then define the dimension. Your dimension is, height is 4. Okay, you take a 4, and then click here and go through here to as per your drawing. Okay, 2, then click on line command, and then draw. This line is also 2 mm. Okay, and then draw a line this way, 6, and then 6, then take the dimension 6, and then here 5 mm this line. Okay, and then draw a 3. Okay, and then again draw a 5 mm line similar. Okay, this line two are same. Okay, and then draw 2 mm. Okay, here this line define the L2 B1, the same dimension, no need to define. Okay, and then go through the here and take the dimension. Here dimension is, see here na, 8 mm. Okay, so click, double click, and then take 8 mm. Okay, and then this is, see the very carefully how to take a dimension with the help of a construction line. First draw a construction line, click the construction line, and then draw a line. Okay, and then go through the normal, then click this line, and then construction line, and then click here. No, wrong. Click the normal, then click this line, and then select this line, and then middle mouse button. Wrong, something wrong. Mouse middle button, and then take this dimension. Okay, defined once again, click here, and then mouse middle button this way. Okay, how much? See here, 40. Okay, so take a 40, double click, and then 40. Okay, this way. Okay, and then draw another, select. Okay, then click here, and then mouse middle button, and then select here and go through the horizontal. Okay, and then horizontal this way, take a dimension 1 mm. Okay, here, one. Okay, and then take a line. How to zoom out? Click here and then zoom out. Okay, your overall drawing will be visible. And then here go through here this way. So how to meet this? Click on the here, the coincident, click this point and then that point. Okay, this way your drawing is defined. Okay, and then this way. So define this length, coincident, click here and then here. Okay, this way. Okay, and take this dimension. There is a 1 mm. Mouse middle button, then 1 mm. Okay, this way, and then take this here to here. Click here and then mouse middle button. Once again, take this way, click here and then 9. Delete. Go through normally. Okay. Deleted. And then 9. Okay. And then width is 3. So define this dimension. Click here and then here. 1 mm is deleted. Take a 3. I think 2. Okay. Take a 2 dimension. I will explain the this is the all the relations. Okay, H is defined for the horizontal, L is the line. Okay, this way. So how to define this angle? Click here and then click here and then mouse middle and then take this dimension 49. Okay, this way your drawing will be ready. Okay, so height, define the height here and here and here. Click point, this point and then mouse middle button. Okay, again 49, deleted. Four. Okay, this way and then width is 3. Two times, so delete here and then define here. So Creo is the parametric software. Okay. this way, and take this dimension, I think change. So how to change? 5, I think 5, 5, and also here check there 8, 8. Okay, and check the all the dimension 3 are defined. This way you will define. Okay, double click and then 3. Okay, and then above is 6, so you define the 6. Okay, the angle is here. This way. Okay, and then this way your all the dimensions are defined. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. Okay.